Hello there, this is an unboxing video of the Meyritech portable hard drive with 500 gigabytes. This is the box, the front of it, the sides, and here's the back. Let's unbox this. The contents are this piece of paper, 2-year guarantee, a USB cable for the external hard drive, and if we can get this out, the external hard drive itself in the plastic. Put this aside. This is the external hard drive. There's the USB port on the side. I think that's it for the unboxing video of my new external hard drive. Thanks for watching. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon to be alerted for future videos.